Alright, welcome to the next lesson on Foundation Chem. We're going to be learning about bonding. So in the last one I covered ions and compounds. You guys must know that stuff. I might even do extra like part 2 videos or revision videos for those two because I know they are quite hard if you've just started learning about science. So I might recover those ones and put some like resources up. But once you actually understand that, you can come on to the next one, which is bonding. Bonding is, remember when we put two or more elements to make a compound? This is basically what we're calling. So I'm just going to finish very quickly writing these down. Bear with me. This is basically what we're looking at. So when we have a non-metal and a metal, before you know what the hell is a metal, or you should know that, or what's the difference between a metal and a non-metal? Anything, so there's a line on the periodic table. I really have to, I've got a periodic table. I'll get it out and show you guys what I mean. So here's my periodic table. Remove this. So you see this green line here with boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, that's antimony, whatever that element is, polonium. You see this green line? Anything on the left of that green line, except for hydrogen, is a metal. Anything on the right side, except this whole noble gases, including those, anything on the right side is a non-metal. Anything on the right of this is a non-metal. Anything on the left, this including hydrogen, is a metal. Now, what are the green ones then? Well, don't worry too much, but they're called metalloids. They're like a combination of the two. So that's where they draw the line. So if you put non-metal and a metal, they're called an ionic bond. They involve ions, like we learned in the last one. Two non-metals is a covalent bond. And then we put an alloy, which is two or more metals. They're also called an alloy, is a metallic bond. So let's start with ionic. Well, I'm going to go a little bit more into ionic bonding, not too much more though. So what's an example of ionic bond? So these are all bonds through reactions, right? So let's grab hydrogen, which is a non-metal. Actually, no. Let's grab a metal, let's grab potassium, and let's grab a non-metal, nitrate. So these all have their ions, like loose electrons, or wants one more electron, wants to gain or lose electrons. And this reaction is so we have potassium and a nitrate. So these are both non-metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. So that's going to produce +1 and -1, which is equals 0. So it's just going to be KNO3. Potassium nitrate. That's what we call this one. Potassium nitrate. So this one's a potassium. This one's a nitrate ion. Something like that. Okay, so that's an ionic bond. It goes between a metal and a non-metal, and they usually contain ions most of the time. So we know nitrogen, oxygen, potassium were our 3 elements. Metal is on the left, and these ones are on the right, so they're non-metals. That's all it is. And we already learned about ions later. I'm going to put some resources up, because I get that one's hard. I'll do it before I upload these videos, in fact. Now we go on to an alloy. Alloy metallic bonding isn't very common. For example, diamond, if you've heard of that, and I'm not talking about Minecraft or you bloody autistic kids. But anyway, so diamond is not diamond. Diamond's not an element. Diamond is actually an alloy, so it contains a bunch of metals. Contains a lot of metals. I think there's also some carbon in there, so don't count me on it. That actually might even be carbon, I don't know. But for example, a good alloy is bronze. Bronze is tin and lead. tin is SN. Lead is PB. So for tin and lead, I believe this is bronze. Don't count me on it. It might be graphite or something, but I think that's bronze. No, that is bronze, because I'm positive. And the other one I'm thinking of is tin and mercury. Or graphite, whatever. This is bronze. I'll make sure I Google at the end, but this is a metallic bond. So we're going out tin, and we're adding lead, putting these two together, which is giving us bronze. It's usually found in like caves like that though. So that's a metallic bond. Now we go on to our next bit. Covalent bonding. Covalent occurs between two nonmetals. So what are the nonmetals? We determined that before, those. So you might be going, what are some examples? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide definitely. Hydrogen, keep in mind hydrogen's a non-metal, so hydrochloric acids. A lot of acids like hydrochloric, hydrogen chloride, we call them hydrochloric acid if they've got a hydrogen. Usually is an acid that's got hydrogen. They're covalent bonds. But then here's where the fun begins. What was I going to do next? Sorry, I'm mind blank. Hang on. That's right. Now, this is one thing you must know in chemistry. It also involves covalent bonding, but I'm going to teach you it now. Oxygen in the air is not found as just O. It's always found as O2. Always. Same goes for nitrogen, hydrogen, a lot of gases. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine's a liquid and iodine's a solid, but same sort of thing. They all are found in the air as with a 2. They never, because they always bond with another one. And we could theory these are covalent bonds. Because O2 is 2O, it's 2 oxygen. And oxygen is a non-metal. Keep that in mind. Now I'm going to do some quick little questions. You guys have to find out what type of bond these reactions are forming. So you need to name covalent, metallic, ionic, or what bond are these ionic, covalent, or metallic bonds. Okay? Don't know if that one would work, but let's try it. Don't know what that is, but let's try it. Anyway, it teaches you how to do it, so whatever. No, it's still different on there. Okay, well, one more, very quickly, because I don't know how much charge my phone's got left. That's not filming on with a tripod. One more, come on. I wish I could just say that one's whatever bond, but I can't say it out loud, because then I'll give you guys the answer. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, I'm going to let you pause the video, let you guys work it out. Assuming you guys have done it now, so let's start with the bottom. Quite obviously it's between two non-metals, so it is a covalent. It's between two non-metals, so it's a covalent bond. This one, between two metals, scandium and sodium, which produces an alloy, so it's a metallic bond. It's between two metals. Now for the top one, it's going to be an ionic bond, because it's between a metal and a non-metal. So it is ionic bond. Thank you guys for watching. If you need any help, leave me a comment or go to the public email address, which will soon be up. Thank you for watching.